What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock your Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G, Tecno Pova 5 Pro or any of the Tecno smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN password and you're stuck at the lock screen. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here I am stuck at the lock screen of my Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G. Let's assume I no longer remember the PIN password and I cannot go to the home screen to make any changes to remove any kind of security from the device setting. Another method to remove all kind of security from your device is by performing a hard reset. But for that you have to go to the settings as well, and since you are locked out of the device you cannot do this as well. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can perform a hard reset right from the lock screen to remove all kind of security from your Tecno smartphone and gain the access back to your device. But keep one thing in your mind, that whatever content you got on your device will be deleted and you will start totally fresh with it. So the very first thing you have to do is switch off your device. Once the device is switched off, you have to press the power key and volume up key together. Press and hold them for a while. Once the Tecno logo appears, you can move your finger from the power key but keep pressing the volume up. And then you will reach this screen that shows an Android logo and no command. So now what you have to do, you need to press the power key, and while pressing it, press the volume up key just once. Unlike the last time when we were holding them together, you have to press the power key continuously but press the volume up just once like this, and then you will reach this screen. So now we are inside the recovery menu of our Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G or whatever Tecno smartphone you got. So to navigate between the options, we have to use the volume keys, and select any of them, we have to press the power key. So you can see we got one option here, that is wipe data factory reset. So use the volume down to go to wipe data factory reset and press the power key once. On the next screen, it will show you the warning message that everything will be wiped out. As I said earlier, press volume down to go to factory data reset and then press power key once. And you can see at the bottom that the wiping of the data is started and finished as well. So now all you have to do is just press the power key once, because reboot system now option is already selected. Now the device will reboot and then we will start totally fresh. So we will have to go through the setup process, select the time zone, language, keyboard and all of the stuff that we did in the very beginning. While setting up the device, we will have to do it one more time. So now we will have to go through the setup process. So you can see that now it is asking me to set up the unlock method for the device. That means the previous one is gone. But let's finish our process and let's see whether we really got the access back to our Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G here or not. And here we go. So now we are at the home screen of our Tecno Pova 6 Pro 5G. It is no longer asking me to enter the lock screen pin. That means we got the access back to our device successfully. So this is how you can remove any kind of security from your Tecno Pova 6 Pro or any Tecno smartphone if you no longer remember the PIN, password, your Face ID is not working, your fingerprint ID is not working, and you're stuck at the lock screen. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.